breakfast? No, mommy. Sweetie, have a breakfast? No, mommy. What do you want, sweetie? Do you want cake? Chocolate? No. Ice cream? No. Cake? No. Oh no! Uncle, aunt, please come here. What happened, ma? She is crying, uncle.
1 minute. Sweetie, do you want remote control car?
Teddy bear?
No. Barbie? No. Oh no.
Prabhakar?
Prabhakar,
Yes?
please come here once.
What, Dad? Is there any problem? She is crying since morning. She doesn't say what she wants. Ha ha ha.
Why are you laughing, Prabhakar?
Don't worry, Mom. I know how to stop her crying. Sweetie, shall we go to Within English Medium School 10th Annual Day function?
Yes, Dad. Thank you, Dad. Prabhakar, we will come to that function, Ra.
Okay, Dad, please come.
What a Prabhakaram.
Yes?
I will also come that function, Ra.
Okay, Granny. Let's go.
మస్తాన్ దాంట్లో టేప్ ఉంటుంది మస్తాన్
Sir, please come here, sir. Behalf of teachers, students, parents, happy 10th anniversary to Within English Medium School, sir.
Thank you, Nana. All the best. Thank you. Good luck.